So you may be in a position where you want to go ahead and actually log out of your Discord account on your device. This process is very simple and does not require much effort. It can be done with any device, be it an Android or an iPhone. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. There is one way to log out of your Discord account. So let's jump right in. Open up Discord. And when you open up your Discord tab, you will see at the top left corner all servers where you joined in. So basically you just open up main menu. This means you just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and here is all your settings stuff. So just scroll down all the way down, and here you will see logout. Tap on it, and then you should proceed logout. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.